Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So guys, I have planned something for Co-Influencer, and that is a 30-day video run. In these 30 days, in the next 30 days, I will be posting a video every single day regarding things that I do to cheer myself up, because even I am trying to help myself. So I'm just trying new things, various different things on a daily basis to just see as to what cheers me up. So today, day one, I'm going to St. Kilda Beach to just see the sunset, and let's see how it all goes. So now I'll just head towards the tram stop and let's meet again. I finally reached the tram stop. Now I'm just waiting for the tram, and I was just checking on Google Maps. The St. Kilda Beach is like round about 1 hour and 30 minutes from my place. And honestly speaking guys, I'm a little bit confused as to how will it go, will I even like it, because it's been long since I left my place. So this is the first day after like one and a half months when I'm stepping out to actually go somewhere. So let's hope it goes good. Now I'm just waiting at the tram stop. I just got off one tram, so I'm just heading towards the tram number 2 stop. So, and by mistake I got off on the wrong platform. I don't know how it happened. So I'm just heading back to the right platform. So yeah. So after figuring it out, I finally reached the correct platform, and now I'm just waiting for the tram. And one exciting thing about the St. Kilda Beach is that if you may be lucky, you might be able to see penguins there at this point of time at the sunset. So let's see, let's hope that I get to meet the penguins of Australia. So pretty excited now. Guys, I think I'm gonna miss this sunset because it's getting pretty dark outside. Anyway, let's go down to the beach and see and just enjoy the cool breeze maybe. So I'm still in the tram right now. It's going to take me another 30 minutes. So let's see. So after getting lost between trams, I finally got off, and now I'm just heading towards the beach. I'm really excited now. I think I've missed the sunset now. It's pretty dark now. So I guess I'll just enjoy at the beach. I enjoy the cool breeze, and might just step in the sea. So I'll just get there and get back to you. Look at the scenery, guys. I really find it mesmerizing. There's the beach. I just have to find a way to get there. Guys, finally I have reached the beach. You can just see it, it's behind me. So let me just switch the camera. It's so beautiful, and there's just drone flying over there. I guess the people are operating that. Somebody's playing with a drone. Let me just try to zoom in. Yes, it's a drone only. And oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, the sand is getting into my shoes. Whew. I'm just gonna take a walk and just get back to you in a bit. It's getting pretty cold now, but the view is so beautiful. It's so peaceful right here. I cannot just even express it. It's so beautiful. Enjoy the sea for a moment. So beautiful, guys. I think I made the right choice. And honestly, now I don't feel like going back, even though I have loads of work at my place. But looking at the waves, I just don't feel like going back. And guys, remember this always. Your mental health matters. guys, listening to the sound of the waves, it is so soothing. I don't mind spending my night here. It's so soothing. And update on the penguins, I missed them. I got late because I left my place late. The next time I visit here, I'll make sure that I leave my place on time so that I can get to visit the penguins. But for the time being, let's enjoy the beach. Hi, so guys, I had a wonderful walk. It was so good. So I think now it's getting dark now. So I think I'm gonna go out and grab a bite or something nearby in one of the nearby cafes. So yes, I think I made the right choice. I'm mentioning it again and again because initially I was pretty confused as to how will it go. As of now, the day has been going pretty good. So let's meet in some time. So yes, I've just come to this Mediterranean bar and restaurant. I placed my order. I'm just waiting for my food to arrive now. So till the timing, just have a look at the restaurant and the street nearby. Finally the food has arrived and it is looking so tasty. Let me just show you 1 second. So yes, this is my food. This is a chicken parma, chips and salad, and it is looking very tempting. I don't know about the taste, but I'm trying this for the first time, so let's hope for the best. So I'll meet you after having my meal. So I've just finished my meal and it was so damn filling that I don't even feel like moving now. I just want to sit here. But anyway, we have to head back to my place now. So I'm just gonna sit here for a while and then I'm gonna head back. So I'm back at the tram stop. Now waiting for the tram. There's a theater nearby if you just wanna have a look. Just a second, I'm gonna flip the camera. So I'm finally in tram now. So I'll talk to you once I reach home and then we'll talk about my day, how it went, and that's it. Hi, so I'm finally back at my place. So today was the day 1 of the 30-day video run and I chose to visit a beach today, and honestly speaking, I did not regret it. I do not regret it. It was a good experience. I really liked it and I'm feeling good about myself right now. I don't know exactly why, but I'm feeling good about myself. So today was a good day, and I would also really appreciate it if you guys also share your daily experiences or the things you do to keep your mind clear with us so that we can share on the co-influencer page and help people in any form. Help is a help. So yeah, see you tomorrow now. Till then, take care and keep helping. Bye bye.